So I'm out here on my bench and my coffee gets cold and I'm working on stuff. So we got the mug warmer set. We're gonna try it out and see how she works. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. See what we got here. I think it comes, it's just 3 pieces. It's a cup, or 4 pieces. It's got the temperature thing on top, and it's got the plate, which you set like that. You set it this way. And then it has this USB. So that's basically it right there. So let's go ahead and we'll set it up and see how she works. How's that sound? All right, so check it. You get the cup, right? Bam, cup, all stainless steel, nice. You get the plate, right? That goes, the way you know, these things you put down so it doesn't skid, right? You get this USB-C to USB-A charger, but you don't get a block. I'm going to use my iPhone block. I'm going to plug this in right here, right? And then I've got enough, I think I got enough to get it plugged in down here into my little thing. You see where I'm plugging it in down there? All right, so I plugged that in, right? Okay, now we're ready to go. Now I can just come in here, plug this bad boy in here, right? So now once that's done, you've got an on and off switch. That's off, that's on. When you see that, you know it's on. Off, on. Right, off, left, on, okay? All right, we're gonna get some coffee here. All right, we're gonna get some coffee here. And then we'll try her out and see how she works. These machines you can get on Amazon. I'll put a link in the detail page. You can check it out. Bam, done. All right, let's go put this on our hot plate and see what happens. Let's just go ahead and set her on. And then we'll put our heater on there. And now we'll see what happens. Hopefully it keeps it warm. All right, bam, here we are. Let's take a look. It's 122 to 130. So this is a sensor, right? This senses the temperature of the coffee. And that way you know that you're going to keep your coffee nice and hot while you're working on your projects. You know what I mean, jelly beans? All right, so let's we'll give it a taste and see what we think. Here we go. Ooh, that's hot, look. It's steaming up my glasses. So it's definitely working. All right, let's put her back. All right, let's put her back on our hot plate until we're ready to do some more sips. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.